internet. So, dito sa Hardware Sugar, gumagawa kami ng iba't ibang PC para sa iba't ibang budget. And so, napansin namin na may mga madalas na errors or mistakes na rini-request ng mga customer, or nakabili na yung customer sa ibang shop and then dadalhin nila sa amin dito para ayusin. And then napansin namin na mali yung configuration of parts. So based on that experience, here are the top 5 PC building mistakes based on what we've seen. Number 1, bibili ng overclockable CPU pero hindi naman pang overclocking yung motherboard. Sinasadya talaga ng mga CPU manufacturers like AMD and Intel na may mga CPU na kayang i-overclock. Ano ba yung overclocking? Kung kotse yun, yung overclocking, pinapatakbo mo siya lampas dun sa rated manufacturer speed. So yung isang kotse, let's say, sabi ng manufacturer, yung kaya lang na yan hanggang 100 km per hour. Kung in-overclock mo siya, aabot siya ng 120 km per hour. And it's the same concept with CPUs. Halimbawa, yung Ryzen 7 3700X and the Intel i7-9700K, both of those CPUs run at 3.6 GHz, yung basic manufacturer speed. Pero kung i-overclock mo yung R7 3700X, kaya mong umabot ng mga 4.4 GHz. Yung Intel naman, yung i7-9700K, kung in-overclock mo yun, kaya mo siyang paabutin ng mga 5.2 GHz or so. So, malayong-malayo talaga yung rated manufacturer speed dun sa kaya mong abutin with overclocking. So okay, di ba? Bili tayo lahat ng overclockable CPUs. How do we know kung overclockable ba yung CPU? It's just letters after numbers. You just need to look at the letter that comes after the numbers in the CPU designation. Again, in the example, para sa AMD, yung magic letter is X. If it has X in the designation, then it's most likely an overclockable CPU. And again, in the example I used, the Ryzen 7 3700X, the X there denotes that yes, you can overclock it. Sa Intel naman, the magic letter is K. Kung may K yung Intel CPU, malamang pwedeng overclock yan. Like the example I used, the i7-9700. But these builds where they come from other shops na binentahan nga yung customer ng overclockable CPU. Pero kung yun, para ma-overclock mo yung CPU, kailangan compatible yung motherboard. So, useless lang yung pagbili mo ng overclockable CPU, hindi mo ma-overclock yung CPU na yan. Mag-stop lang yan sa motherboard. If you buy an overclockable CPU, or that you get an overclockable motherboard. Paano mo malalaman kung compatible ba yung motherboard? Again, the secret getting 1 stick of RAM instead of 2. So halimbawa, gusto mo kumuha ng 16 GB of RAM para sa rig mo. And you can get 1 stick of 16. So 1 stick is 16 GB of RAM. Or you can get 2 sticks of 8. 8 GB or 8 GB. Total pa rin 16. And so the next 16 GB, and you're wondering what's the difference or what's the difference. You should always get 2 sticks of RAM. Kunin mo yung 2 or 2 sticks of 8 rather than 1 extra or 1 stick. Because computers nowadays use something called dual channel memory. Paano dinesign yung computer system mas maganda yung dual channel para mas konti yung RAM slots na gamitin ko, para mas may space pa ako para mag-expand. And so this one actually I understand it, so it's a bit confusing. But basically the bottom line is just get 2 sticks of RAM instead of 1 stick. And again, these are the same RAM sizes. We're just talking about here in the example 16 gigabytes, but again, you can break that down in so many ways. 1 stick of 16, 2 sticks of 8, or 4 sticks of 4. That's overkill. You don't need that for dual channel. It's going to confuse things. But basically, the optimum configuration is 2 sticks. And that's true regardless of RAM size. Whether you want 32 gigabytes, then you have 2 sticks of 16, and so on. Building mistake number 3 also deals with RAM. RAM, like many PC hardware, comes with speeds. So you can get RAM in different speeds such as 2333 MHz, 2666 MHz, 3000 MHz, 3200 MHz, etc. So baka isipin mo na, well, kunin ko na yung pinakamabilis, diba? Para sa nakaya ng budget ko. But again, the problem here is the motherboard. Kasi yung motherboard, may maximum speed yan para sa RAM. Kung bumili ka ng mabilis na RAM, pero hindi naman supported yung motherboard mo, tatama lang siya dun sa maximum rated speed of the motherboard. For example, the MSI H310M Pro VH Plus. Popular na budget board yan. Maganda naman yung performance. So isipin mo, yan nabilis ko na motherboard, and then pang RAM ko, kaya pa naman ng budget, bibili ako ng 3,200 MHz na RAM. And just there, nag-aksayan ka ng pera because yung motherboard na pinili mo, yung MSI H310M, is only rated up to 2,666 MHz. Sayang lang yung 600 MHz or so, difference between 32 MHz and 2666 MHz, kasi hindi mo magagamit yung extra speed. So very similar to overclocking your CPU, make sure that the RAM you get, the RAM speed you get, is compatible with the motherboard that you get. Otherwise, you'll just be wasting money. Building mistake number 4 is getting generic or cheap PSUs. Don't get me wrong, I have advised in the past na okay naman yung generic PSUs para sa mga computer na hindi naman talaga performance. Yung mga pang-office, yung
what we do here is go back,
internet, or Word, or Excel, or things like that. Walang problema. But if you are doing expensive build, pang gaming, pang video editing, pang rendering, hindi talaga kaya ng power supply. Medyo nakaka-tense kasi na ang mahal ng gastos sa graphics card, huwag mo tipirin yung especially for higher end, all of your nice components like CPU and things like that, they need a steady power supply to be able to meet their performance needs. And if you don't get a good power supply from a good manufacturer, then you're just wasting your parts. And in the most extreme cases, we've seen generic power supply basically blow up, and maswerte ka na lang kung okay na yung ibang components, so never scrimp, never cheap out on getting good power supply. Then kung kaya ng budget, we always recommend free modular SSUs. Modular SSUs that will remove the cable, and so this is careful in the case because you have unnecessary wires and also the vendor accessories for your management. Again, so definitely get a good PSU from a reputable brand, Corsair, Sony, Magic, and if the budget allows, get one that is last building mistake, not including SSD. I understand, mahal talaga yung SSD. Kumpara natin kung magkano. Let's say a 1 terabyte hard drive, usually kaya mo bilhin mga 2,400. Yung SSD, kung same price, 2,400, makukuha mo lang 500 gigabytes. Roughly, mga double the price yung SSD sa hard drive. Why am I recommending it? Why am I saying that all builds, regardless kung pang-office yan, pang-gaming, pang-video editing, lahat ng builds dapat may SSD. It's really a quality of life issue. Sobrang bilis ng SSD para sa hard drive. Pag nakatry ka na ng SSD, hindi ka na talaga babalik sa hard drive. Ayaw mo nang bumalik sa hard drive. Things are so much faster already. So if you're sa budget mo, you can just get one of those tools para sa OS, para sa utak mo yung sobrang bilis. And then you get a hard drive, but for your files. And it's not true, paminsan may narinig ka na yung SSDs mas mabilis masira kumpara dun sa hard drive. And that's not true at all. Actually, failure rates on SSDs are less compared to hard drives. For one reason, SSDs have parts. Para naman yung SSD, walang gumagalaw sa kumpara sa hard drive, where actually it goes round and round. So there are more failure points on hard drive compared to hard drive. So an SSD will last as long if not longer. Actually, you're already used to it because you're full and that's why it moves up so much faster compared to I cannot emphasize it enough. Bonus mistakes on RGB. And gusto yung RGB ngayon, maraming yung sa lights kasi kaya may breathing, kaya may ibang kulay, etc. Ito, maganda nga tingnan. Pangitin ng computer mo, kung naka-all red, whatever. Pero may masamang biro kasi yung mga techies na, parang binibito nila yung mga non-techie friends nila. And I've heard it before na sinasabi nila na, pag smart ilagay mo yung kulay sa red, mas ilagay mo yung computer mo. Kung ilagay mo sa blue, mas malamig. Therefore, better kasi yung components mo, kung ano yung temperature, mas mabilis yung computer na. And it's kind of silly to even talk about it, but color is just color. Yung RGB, walang kinalaman yung sa performance. Kahit anong kulay binigay mo doon sa RGB setup mo, it has zero impact. Kung go flashing mo naman, better, kahit sa RGB setup, ang daming kalabukan na. The technical people know better, but it's sort of like that old joke na mabilis ng Google na red is so I mean, it's super simple to people who are but people who are just starting out in computer the software, the hardware, they really will press the keyboard or they really will press the yes so kung newbie lang po kayo, huwag kayong mauto sa mga kaibigan nyo, mga sira-ulo. Color does not impact performance. So, top 5 building mistakes that we've seen building computers here in the Philippines with a bonus explainer on RGB. Here at Hardware Sugar, we do builds of any budget from 30,000 onwards to 120, 150K. And you can come to us, we'll design the rig based on what you need. Is it for gaming? Is it for video editing? Do you want super bling bling RGB or do you not want RGB puke at all? We will guide you through the process. We will ask you for the parts. It's always a back and forth with us. We will ask the customer like, do you want this and what do you think of this? And you can check out the playlist here on YouTube for some of the rigs that we've done. And if you're not in the market yet, if you just want to talk about hardware and things like that, we also do that as well. Pass by the shop or message us on Facebook or comment here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. So I hope that these basic tips help you. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button. For your PC needs, consider buying from us, Hardware Sugar, at Lazada or on our website. You can find links in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you next video.